Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and we're here ready to travel. Well, I'm on the corner of South Jefferson Street and Columbia Pike, and right behind me is a very interesting sculpture. They're still working on it, but we can take a look around. Well, they're still doing some construction around here. They're gonna put some park benches in, some nice grass, and eventually put some lights in on this sculpture here. And what this is a wind turbine. And I'm not sure who the artist is or anything about it because they're still working on it and I don't see any plaques around here. But I was talking to one of the construction guys and something pretty interesting here at the base. Apparently all the residents around Arlington here took coins from all over the world and it's incorporated in the bottom of this sculpture. So I don't know if you can figure out what these coins are. I sure can't because I don't have my glasses on, but I'll try to get in here close on the some, see if you can figure some out. But they're coins from all over the world, and this is pretty neat. And eventually they'll have lights in here, but this is really cool. Looks like they're gonna have some more lights down here at the base. But boy, there's a lot of coins. Like I said earlier, I took a few pictures, as you saw, and I wish I could find out some more information. I'll probably have to Wikipedia. It probably is not even in Wikipedia yet, but wind turbine, pretty cool. Well, I think that's gonna do it. I don't have any information because, like I said, they're still working on it. And I asked some of the construction guys and they're not sure either, but maybe some of you guys can find out on the internet somehow and leave a comment below on what this thing's all about. But it's a pretty neat sculpture, and I think that's gonna do it. And on that note, Traveler out.